Okay, this is early morning on the fourth day. The contractor doesn't get here till about 9, so let me share my thoughts. But I want to record some of my thoughts. Today, they will be making some of these little things here. And what they will do, from what I understood, is this portion here. If you look at that red line there to the edge here, there will be a band of concrete going through to the top of that, to the top all the way down. Now, they're gonna make something similar to this that will sit on top. However, the excavator will not be here until tomorrow. Now, my original understanding was that they were gonna fill this thing in by hand. There's 6 of them. It would take absolutely no time. Yes, a lot of work, but absolutely no time. Now, this is the contractor's mistake, because he did not come when the excavator came. He was not clear on only wanted the holes. He said he wanted a trench. And there's a difference between a trench and a hole. So it cost me $4,000 to have this trench dug all the way around. And now it's going to cost me $2,000 to put it back in. Now I am paying $6,000 on their mistake. But that is how things are done here in Thailand, and okay, there's nothing you could do about that. However, I'm hoping that what I understood and what they do were 2 different things, because they're talking about putting rebar here. Today, the excavator will come, reach over this, pull this in, pack it down. Now, it would make sense to me that there's no rebar here, so the excavator can push down freely. If they put rebar all the way around, it'll be very difficult for that excavator to maneuver without hitting the rebar and wasting time and what have you. So we'll see. Out of all the projects that I've done in this house, this has been one of the most stressful ones, because it was right around the rainy season, right around the harvest, and everything stops. And you know, your problems are your problems, and their problems become your problem. So the way I have discovered here in Thailand is, if they make a mistake, you pay. If they make a mistake, it's your problem. They don't own up to anything. They're not responsible for anything. But that is the norm. Every contractor that I've had in the last 4 years or so, that's how it works. You know, they break something, your problem. Whatever happens, your problem. They're just here to do what they do and get paid. Everything else is your problem. Okay, so now I vent it, and hopefully things go well today, and hopefully I misunderstood and there is no rebarb going across there, so tomorrow that excavator can come, knock it out, press that dirt back in there, you know, pack it in so it's nice and solid, because we only have half a day. Okay, here we are on the 4th day. Today they will be making the rebarb that goes on top of these columns. The excavator won't be available until tomorrow morning, so this is what they'll do today. Okay, so they're making these rectangular things, but this time they're bigger than the last ones. There he is. And those things will be used to hold that number 12 rebarb. However, how it's going to be held here is yet to be seen. We'll check it out later. And here is what's going to happen. Same thing as the small columns, except that this is a rectangular shape that is much bigger. And that will go and attach to the top of this. Okay, there's the first one. They're almost done with that. And at this rate, I think we're going to have to buy more number 12 rebarb. Let's see, there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There's like 19 or 20 left. Let's just say that that is 20. It takes 4, so there's only 5 more. Wouldn't be enough. We'll find out how many more we're gonna need after a while. Okay, so they're almost done with the 3rd one, and they have enough material over there for 3 more. So at some point they're either going to tell me they don't need any more, or they're out and they need more, which is no problem. The only thing is the delivery. It's like the excavator. It's not immediate, so we'll see what happens. And these guys here are steadily going at it so they can finish all the little rectangular things and go from there. Okay, so here's the status for today. Right now, this is what they've got built. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th one, and this is the 5th one, and they're out of number 12 rebarb. Why they didn't order some earlier, I have no idea. But we have an order in for additional round bar and number 12 rebarb, and it will be delivered Friday morning. Today's Wednesday. A long time ago, Thai What to Do had their own delivery service, and they would deliver the same day, if not the following day. Very, very quick. Excellent service. But now they have this company that's under contract, and they only make like 10 deliveries per day or something or another. And it is extremely slow. And if you catch it on a weekend or a holiday, or they don't feel like working or whatever, it can be anywhere from 3 to 5 days before they deliver. Terrible thing. The last delivery that I had was the rebarb and some cement, and we had to call the main office because they just wanted to drop it on the driveway, and there was rain in the forecast, and they did not want to put this cement under the roof where it goes. As many times as I've ordered from Thai What to Do, it always goes there, but it has to be hand carried. And the guys driving didn't want to do it, so round and round we went, and I don't know what was said because I don't understand Thai, but they went ahead and put it under the roof. But the rebarb, they dropped it on the driveway, and Woon and I had to haul it into the garage one by one because they refused to do it. Terrible service. They need to go back to delivering their own stuff. Anyway, Friday morning we should get more metal, and I also ordered the 2x4 metal to put around those 2 chain link fence panels that I had showed you before, so that I can turn them into a gate. And for now it'll just be sitting on the ground, well, on top of some cement blocks or something, so they don't sit on the ground. But next time I go to the store, I'll buy some wheels for it. What I should have done is I should have ordered some angle iron, but I forgot about it, so it's not like it's needed anytime soon. We're not going to be going in and out, and the time that it will be open, it'll be to deliver some dirt and level this thing out, so they can open it, stay open all day, and go from there. But I think what's going to happen is these guys will go home, come back tomorrow. Hopefully the excavator will be here at 8 o'clock in the morning, and they can get going, so when these guys get here they will have something to do. Okay, let's find out. Okay, so it's 2 o'clock. They have no more rebarb. They can't do block until the dirt goes back in, so they've gone home, come back tomorrow. All right, let's see what happens. See ya. Thanks for watching.
ขอบคุณเจ้า
See you next time.
แล้วปะกันแฮมไมนะเจ้า
See you.
บ๊ายบาย